Yes, so we decided to go with a cabin for a 4-hour ferry ride to Paros. This is an early morning, 7:25 a.m. ferry boat ride to the islands. And we said we're not morning people, so we decided to go ahead and pay a little extra just for the comfort and the accessibility and convenience. So if you're seasick, if you suffer from motion sickness, I definitely recommend the motion patch, or you can try the ginger chews, and these can help too. Let me just show you the space that you have here, just for a few shirts, little hangers. Our main luggage, we decided to go ahead and drop off in the loading area when we got inside the ferry boat. As soon as we got up the ramp, we went ahead and dropped those off. So we didn't want to have any bulky items here. The convenience also of having this cabin is that you have your own private restroom and your own shower as well. So, yes, I think that's a perk. So there you go. And I'm very excited to just sit down or lay down and relax, and even sit here by the window and check out the view. Later on, once we start heading out to the islands, you'll be able to see. I'll be posting that later. So, yes.